Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I saved the best for last. I'm gonna do, in this video, I'm gonna do a Will Byers inspired makeup tutorial. And it's on honor of Stranger Things Day. And it's called Stranger Things Day today because it's commemorating the disappearance of Will Byers in November 6, 1983. So I tried to do the best I can to just only solely just related just to him, no interaction with maybe. It was very hard to pick as far as eyeshadow shades and stuff like that. Some are super obvious. Um, let's get started. But before I do that, um, I'm gonna put what I put on the rest of my face. So I have this strange color. So most of it, I feel that it's more from the ColourPop times Stranger Things collection from last year. So I used the Hawkins milk. This what's it? This liquid light glow drops, and I put it. I just put it on my fingertip, not too much. I just dabbed it on my fingertip, then I spread like this. I just went like this on my brow bone or slightly above my brow bone. Okay, try to blend it as best as I can. I put a little bit on the bridge of my nose as well. Yeah, I put a little bit on my brow bone as well. Why not? And then that's not all. This is there. Of course, I have to use this one there. What is this? It's there. I'm so disorganized, darn it. It's okay. It's called Instant Crush Cream Blush, and it's in, of course, Byers. Gotta use that. So I just put it on my, cheekbone area. Make it lifted versus when I'm younger, I can get away with putting the apples on my cheeks. So again, I put it around. I just dabbed it on my fingertip. Try not to put too much and stuff like that. And I also put some on my lips as well. And the beautiful lip gloss I'm wearing, it looks sheer, see-through and stuff like that. It is from, yeah, so far the products I'm telling you, it's all from ColourPop times Stranger Things collection. And this one is from the Talk to Me Ultra Glossy Lip Trio in Run. If you remember the scene where Joyce was communicating to Will via those Christmas lights, and then through the Christmas lights, and then each Christmas light, there's a letter, like a Christmas light on each letter and stuff like that, so that Will can communicate to Joyce. Yeah, I picked Run because the scene where I picked Run because Will spelled in the Christmas lights R-U-N because the Demogorgon's gonna chase after Joyce. That's why I picked the lip gloss. It's on my lips right now. It looks sheer in this light. Okay, let's just move on to this tough I look. So okay, so what I did was I already took my Fluffy Essence blending brush. I took the only thing I believe there's two shadows, but what I did for my crease, I already put it here on my crease, both creases in my eye. I mixed from MAC the Void palette. I put Demogorgon and from the ColourPop times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I also and I mixed the Demogorgon shade from the MAC the Void eyeshadow palette. I mixed that with ColourPop's times Stranger Things shade in D&D. So I just went like this. Why not? I went like this. I'm gonna try it this way. More blendable. Okay. So I just put it on the. I already put on the crease like that. So I'm gonna copy this look over here, and so we're gonna move on. So from the MAC class of 1986 eyeshadow palette. Definitely I gotta put Palace Arcade. So I have to get, as you remember, you know, oh no, he went to, I think he went to, Mike, well, never mind, yeah. But yes, Palace Arcade is very important to Will and his friends from the D&D club. So I'm gonna put Palace Arcade in the, with using the MAC 217 brush. So I'm gonna shade. Okay, let me. I'm gonna do like an outer V and blend it. That's good. I'll just use my strong hand. It's okay. Like this, like kind of like halfway to the crease and down here in an angle, like this in the outer corner, like an outer V. I'm gonna dab one more time. Beautiful. That Palace Arcade's a beautiful purple shade, but the problem is it's kind of like a hit and miss as far as pigmentation is concerned. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use the double-ended Stila eyeliner brush. I'm gonna use the flatter side of the brush. I'm gonna take that Palace Arcade shading one more time. I'm gonna like I did for the Mike Wheeler inspired makeup look. I'm gonna put the Palace Arcade on the bottom 3/4 of my bottom lash line. And that's that for the two MAC palettes. Now we're gonna finish the rest of okay, so I'm gonna take this fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna take this Stranger Things eyeshadow palette, and of course Will's got to be in there. That's absolutely. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush. I'm gonna pat Will like this, not I don't care. Load it up, load up. A lot of these shadows are hit and miss, not too pigmented, but that's okay. So I'm gonna use it on my brow bone. Okay, that's that about from the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. Okay, now we're gonna finish off with do the rest of the thing using the Color Pop times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. Okay, I'm trying to remember what else I did. Okay, I'm just looking at trying to remember what I did in the lower lash line. So I'm trying to remember. Oh yes, okay. I'm gonna put Castle Byers in the inner lower lash line, inner corner, lower inner corner of my lash line, like this. Castle Byers. I'm gonna go like this. I'm using the steel of the flat end of the steel double-ended eyeliner brush again. It's okay to be a little sloppy, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now, all right, so let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use, this is from the rest will, the eyeshadows, will be the ColourPop one. So from the this palette, the ColourPop one, I'm gonna put Gone Missing. Let's find the load up brush. I'm gonna put it on my outer half of my lid using this flat shader brush from Wet n Wild. Okay. Halfway only. Okay. And then I'm just trying to have 2 more shadows to go. And then I'm going to take Castle Byers again. Same brush. Once I wiped it off of this color switch thing, I'm gonna pat it like this. Pigmented. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the inner half of my lid. Okay. Try to blend it with not too much, but put half of it in the inner half of my lid. Again, this is Castle Byers. Okay. The last shadow of this look. 1983. I'll use my I feel like putting my the middle fingertip. Try not to flip you guys off. Okay, I'm just gonna go like this, pat it in the middle between the Castle Byers and the Gone Missing. So this is 1983. It's gonna go in the middle of these 2 shades. It's like a shimmery glittery color, like sheer color. Just put more. I don't care. Okay, one more time. And that is my final look. Okay. Okay. You know what? Until my next video, whenever that is, peace out. Bye.